how to fix music not showing in Messenger Notes. Welcome to How to Mastery. In this video, I'll show you how to fix the problem when the music option is not showing in your Messenger Notes. First, make sure your Messenger app is fully updated. Go to the Play Store or App Store, search for Messenger, and tap Update if you see the option. The music feature only appears on the latest version of the app. Next, open the Messenger app and tap on your profile picture in the top left corner. Scroll down and select Notes. Try creating a new note and check if the music icon appears. If it's still missing, close the app completely, then clear the cache. On Android, go to your phone's settings, select Apps, choose Messenger, then tap Storage and clear cache. For iPhone, just delete and reinstall the Messenger app. This refreshes all features. Now reopen Messenger, go to the Chats tab, and swipe down to refresh. Try creating a new note again. If the feature has rolled out to your region, you'll now see the music icon right next to the text bar. If you still don't see it, don't worry. Meta is gradually rolling out the music note feature to all users. Make sure your app stays updated, and it should appear soon. And that's it. You've now learned how to fix the music not showing in Messenger Notes issue quickly and safely. If this guide helped you, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to How to Mastery for more simple step-by-step tutorials.